Welcome to My Mum's Choice. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that many new mothers are curious about: how to increase breast milk supply. Whether you're struggling with low milk production or just looking to boost your supply, we've got some helpful tips, power pumping techniques, and foods that can make a difference. Let's get started. Tips for increasing breast milk supply. Frequent nursing. The more you nurse, the more milk your body produces. Aim to feed your baby on demand. Power pumping. This technique mimics cluster feeding. Here's how to do it. Pump for 20 minutes. Rest for 10 minutes. Repeat this cycle for an hour. Doing this once a day can help signal your body to produce more milk. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for milk production. Relax and reduce stress. Stress can impact your milk supply. Try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or gentle yoga. Consider herbal supplements. Some herbs like fenugreek and blessed thistle are known to help increase milk supply. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplements. Foods to produce more milk. Oatmeal, a great source of iron and can help boost your supply. Leafy greens, spinach and kale are packed with nutrients that support lactation. Nuts and seeds, almonds and flax seeds are excellent choices for healthy fats. Garlic, not only does it have health benefits, but many moms swear by its ability to enhance breast milk production. Thank you for tuning into My Mum's Choice. We hope these tips and food suggestions help you on your breastfeeding journey. Remember, every mother's experience is unique, so find what works best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments below.